Riu ni kuri na latest and recent update on Miracle Baby uria muthenya wa ira aratanyitwo gukorwo agithie for his last surgery, his fourth surgery, na tukihoka ma that indeed this will be his last ever surgery. Na mafans na a Kenya ni marakorirwo makinyitanira na njira nene muno, wishing him all the best as he goes into this surgery, akiingira theatre aigire e mugima na aume ario mugima, na muno tondu ino niyo surgery iratanyitwo gukorwo kuria gukora agicokio intestines ciake. As you know well, akoretwo agisurvive na intestines ciake imwe cieja, na ino niyo surgery iria aratanyitwo gukora agicokio intestines ciake, na koguo it was highly anticipated by the fans, by the Kenyans, and even by them themselves. Na ru finally yesterday it happened, it was confirmed by Karango at indeed Miracle Baby nyaguthie surgery na akimwendithiria all the best, and shortly afterwards a video was shared on social media, Miracle Baby akionekana agicoka thibitari akiumagario na akiamukirwo o wega thibitari and awaiting his surgery. Riu later on mami wa Karo Katu ni akora confirmira mafans uria kurathire, na ona nginya akionania Miracle Baby akiumbura ma yes, the surgery went well, it was successful and Miracle Baby is safely out of surgery. Na riu akithi na mbere kwamukira urigiti aikaritio ni mami wa Karo Katu and Karo Katu of course taking care of him after the surgery. No, Miracle Baby is seen to be well, everything seems okay. Na ona nginya mami wa Karo Katu in her caption akiuga maracokeria Ngai ngatho muno for making it a success, for coming through for Miracle Baby. Ni monete guoko kwa Ngai na they are so happy and grateful. Na mara ma Miracle Baby ni macoketio riu. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.